In this video, we're gonna be unboxing this beautiful box of Lilyhair, which is a topper. There's a topper inside, a human hair topper. So if you don't even know what that is, you're gonna wanna stay tuned and watch this. It should be fun. Let's have a look. My name is Helen. This is the Shrimpy McGee channel, and today we're just gonna be opening up this gorgeous box. It is so pretty, and we're gonna have a look inside. Now, full disclosure, I did open it from its plastic vacuum wrap. It came totally sealed. What's inside this is the Brooke 9x9 topper with the Bionic Scalp, and it's 14 inches. It should be a color that's pretty similar to this color, which is my natural hair color. I don't dye my hair yet. I've got a lot of grays though, so I feel like that day is coming soon. But without any further, let's crack this box open. Now, I have not looked inside, so we're gonna open this together. This came from Lilyhair, and so full disclosure, this is not an advertisement, this is not sponsored, but they did provide this unit to me for free so that I could try it out here and show you guys what it looks like when I open it up on my channel. I have some other topper reviews, so you can look back, or I will link it up. I have tried another topper before, you can see what that looks like, but oh my gosh, something fell out! That's really nice, have a look. Okay, hold on, something fell. So first off, I'm seeing some really cute gifts that they sent me. I don't know if everybody gets this or this was just special as part of their sort of PR. These really cute it's this Christmas season right now. They're these really cute snowman earrings, adorable. And what are these? Oh my gosh, so cute. These are little reindeer hairpins. Oh my God. These are like adorable. Okay, I'm gonna try those on later. And this really nice Tangle teaser style brush. Actually, this is the kind of brush that I mostly recommend people to use. Just people wanna buy like really expensive hair brushes when they have hair loss, and I say go for this one. Just something inexpensive and easy to wash. Oh my gosh, they did such a pretty job. Look at this. This is really one of the nicer packaging situations I've ever seen. Lilyhair, we live only to discover beauty, all else is a form of waiting. Okay then. It's like nestled in this beautiful nest of like paper. I've never seen any hair unit come like this. It's really kind of special. So it's this pretty satin bag, which is actually really useful. This is actually one thing I think that is sometimes missing, is some sort of way to store your stuff, meaning your hair pieces. Often they just kind of come in plastic. So that's nice. You can hang on to this and store it later. Okay, so we're in a plastic bag here. It says Bionic Scalp Topper, 14 inches, natural color. So I guess that's me, natural color. 14 inches was the longest one that they had there, although they do customize units, so you can work with them directly. That is one of the great things about this company, and many others are like that too. You can let them know if you need something longer, if you need something different from what they offer, they're able to customize. Okay, so here we go. That sound is just something that's stuffed inside, probably a piece of paper. And so this is usually how toppers come. They usually come with a net around them. Let's take off the net. So this is the real moment of reveal. Here we go. Although, because the net is black and the hair is nearly black, it's not so dramatic for you as it is for me, because I know the camera struggles to pick that up. I decided to get the 9x9, which is a larger base, right? 9x9 is gonna be a much larger base. And there's some reasons for that. I will tell you why. I have another topper that is small. The base is smaller, and the clips aren't as comfortable on smaller toppers, I find. And if you're just gonna be using a topper, I think oh, this is really pretty. I think a bigger base is better. I think if you're wondering if you should get a smaller or bigger one, I think generally speaking, you'll be happier with the bigger ones, just from what I hear from other women. Okay, this is a beauty. The hair is soft, but it feels very much like my own hair. Actually, this is a really good match for my hair. Look, the colors are really, really great match. Let's have a look. So there, I know it's hard to capture the whole length. So I think it's gonna blend pretty good with my hair. We will try it out in a bit. Let's flip it inside out and look at the inside construction. Okay. So interesting. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. And there's this U base here, which is the part that you're gonna wear close to the front of your hairline. You see that? And it's got this kind of crisscross pattern that is maybe the Bionic Scalp part of it. So it feels very light. It looks like it's gonna offer a lot of coverage. And so you can see my hair here. I decided to wear it in a way that was just air dried. I didn't fix my part or anything. And you'll see I still have spots where you can see through to my scalp, and I'm actually fine with that. Generally speaking, you know, I came from a position of having far less hair than I do now, and so I feel like it's really grown in well. But sometimes it's nice to, you know, sort of spice things up by wearing a topper. Also, sometimes when you just don't feel like doing your hair, if you're not even concerned so much with covering hair loss, sometimes you just put these on and you just have like an instantly fairly fabulous look. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. This is much straighter than my hair. This is got the most gentlest of waves in it, and my hair is more like a 2A, 2B wave in my hair. This is somewhere in the 1 area in terms of waviness, but because it's human hair, you can heat style it. So we're gonna be doing that, I think a little bit maybe, or I'm gonna heat style my own hair, but let me try and get this on and stuff like that, and come back once I've played with it a little bit and I know how to tell you what it is that you need to do to make it look good, because this is my first unboxing and I'm really happy with it. I think it's beautiful. By the way, I wanted to let you know that I do have a code if you do decide to buy something from Lilyhair. Let me find that for you. I'll put it down below. I'll put this exact unit down below in the description box if you want to purchase exactly this. Once again, I don't get any commission or anything like that from the people at Lilyhair, but this is just a code for you if you want to save some money. Let me find that. Right, so if you use the code Helen30, and this is called the Shrimpy Miggy channel, but my actual first name is Helen. If you use the code Helen30, you'll get $30 with this off any products, I believe, that are on their website. Let's give it a try. Here we are with it on. I had to play around a little bit just to get the hairline seated nicely, which I kind of had to do that off camera, and I clipped it in. The clips are all super comfortable to wear. This is a super comfortable unit. The hair is so much like my own hair texture. It's actually pretty crazy. When I feel it, it feels exactly like my own hair, which is kind of great. But you know what? One of the issues with using alternative hair is sometimes it doesn't feel quite like you, and often that has to do with the sort of lack of movement of the hair compared to how your own hair would move. So one thing that really helps with that is just using a bit of heat styling. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Maybe throw some waves in there to make it feel a bit more like me, because sometimes I wear my hair this straight, but often I don't. And I feel like to blend it with my own hair, which is wavier, which you can see underneath here, but you can also see what a great match this is for my hair, right? Like that's the topper, that's my bio hair as they call it. I'm gonna throw some waves in there and style this up a bit, but in general, I think this looks really nice. It feels great, but look what they do here that is so amazing. They have this part here, and that's where the realism comes in. Look at that. A lot of women go in and pluck out the hair to get a more realistic looking topper, but with this Bionic Scalp product, they've already done that for you, and that gives you just that little bit of realism that really helps give you a boost, gives you confidence. I would have no hesitation wearing it like this, but I'm just gonna style it up. So let's try that and I'll be back. Remember to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing is just a free way to help support me on this channel. I do not take sponsorships for hair loss related products. So, you know, I'm not making those big ad dollars, but one thing you can do is help by liking and subscribing. That's totally free for you to do and really helps to support me. So I wanted to bring you guys in here with me into the bathroom just to show you that, you know, I can, and I did change the part a little. It was more of a center part now. You can just easily move that over. And the next thing that I did was I got heating up my curling iron, but I'm turning it down. So this is just an inexpensive, I think a 3/4 inch curling iron from Walmart. It's Conair, not that you have to get it from Walmart, but do hit up Target if you need, or one of those kind of places. And I always just use inexpensive curling irons. I refuse to spend a lot of money on a curling iron. Okay, so I've turned it down to the midway because, you know, this, you can heat style it, but I would not recommend just like toasting it on the highest setting. Just start with the lower setting. You know, you can always amp it up a bit if you're finding the curl is not holding at all, but easier to just dial it down a bit because, you know, when you spend some money on stuff, you don't want to damage it, obviously. So what you do when you're trying to blend a topper with your own hair is you definitely grab your own bio hair and the topper itself together, if you can, and you're just gonna wave. So I'm just gonna put a few waves in here, nothing too crazy, and so I shelled back when I've got a few of these in. So I've got them together in the curling barrel. Another tip really is to try and get some volume into where the scalp area is, because any kind of flatness right here and right here are going to contribute to a not as natural look. So if you can build in some natural looking volume, that will help enormously. And I'm already really liking how this is going. So I'm just going to finish up here. So that didn't take very long at all. I was in there maybe 10 minutes altogether, and I don't think anyone's gonna accuse me of being a hairstylist anytime soon, but I think I got the waves kind of just how I like them. This is how I would normally wear my hair as well, and I think that the effect is really, really nice. I'm really, really happy with this hair topper. You can have a closer look here. I think the part looks really nice and very naturalistic, and I would have absolutely no hesitation wearing this out. I think it looks really, really nice. It's shiny. It doesn't have any kind of bad smell or anything like that, if that's something you're sensitive about. And it was just very easy to style. I just honestly just used a curling iron like I would with my own hair, and it reacted pretty much as my own hair does. And this would be so quick. If I were going out and I just needed to look like really nice and pulled together quickly, just throw this on, throw a few curls in, and bam, you're ready to just hit the town. Not that I'm able to do that right now because I'm recording this during the pandemic and I have not got a vaccine yet, but I'm just overall super happy with this. I think it looks really nice. What do you guys think? All right, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this. Again, this was from Lilyhair, beautiful human hair topper, the Bionic Scalp. They have a few different versions, but this is the one that they sent me. I think it looks really good. Let me know what you think down below. We'll see you soon.